I mean, what does it mean to have website visitors? Where do they go and what do they do when they get there? Have you ever gone on your website and acted like a customer? If not, follow along. I have some simple strategies to improve your website customer experience. Whether you are just starting out with your website or you've had it active for a really long time, refreshing your customer experience is going to help with your website conversions. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified each time I post a new video about search engine optimization. Number 1, dead link checker. This is a big one for all of my clients. I always make sure they run their website through dead link checker to see where they have any dead buttons or broken links. There's nothing more frustrating than landing on a website with a bunch of dead links and broken buttons that get you nowhere. That person isn't going to come back to your website and they're probably not going to tell their friends about it. I've posted a couple articles about dead link checker below in the show notes. Have a look. Heat maps are another great way to improve your customer experience. Heat mapping tools such as Hotjar show you the different areas on your website that your visitors actually go. You can actually use all of this information to have a smarter web design. You begin to see what your website visitors respond to and don't respond to, and you can check how far down the articles they're reading. Check down in the links below for the heat mapping tool I use, Hotjar. Another great way to improve your customer experience is to implement a live chat tool. A live chat tool such as HelpCrunch or Zendesk are going to give you real-time feedback on what your customers are experiencing. Live chat has really grown over the last few years, and over 65% of websites all say they have a live chat option. And in a most recent poll, over half of your visitors expect a live chat option when they go on your website. The main reason that your customers love a live chat is instant support and quick answers. I put the link to HelpCrunch down in the show notes below. Take a look. Now, where can you make a quick adjustment on your website that is going to improve that customer experience? If a customer has a great experience, they're most likely going to tell their friends about their great experience and their friends' friends and their friends' friends. You kind of get the idea. Just imagine the ripple effect of taking a little bit of time and just making sure your overall website experience is a good one. I've put a link to Lead Attraction Accelerator in the show notes below. My next class starts June 15th. And hey, did you know that my training is actually 70% covered by the Canada-Alberta Job Grant? All you have to do is apply. Win-win if you ask me. If you like this video, give it a like. Better yet, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified each time I post a new video about search engine optimization. Adios, everyone.